Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a dash cam on this 2024 Honda CR-V. Let's get to it. This specific installation is for Honda CR-Vs with the auto-dimming rearview mirror. To get started, let's take a look at our plastic shroud. For this installation, we'll be removing panel 1 and panel 2. I'll be using a pry tool to get these panels removed. To get panel 1 off, push up slightly on panel 2 and insert the pry tool into the crease to disconnect. Be patient as the panels are held together quite snug and might not come off on your first go. Next, I'll run the pry tool to the other side and disconnect the tab using the same technique. Let me give you a closer look at the connection points on this panel so it's a little less stressful during your installation. With the shroud removed, we have a visual on the connector port. Now let's go ahead and remove the second panel as well. This one is much easier. I'll use the same pry tool to disconnect the fasteners in these two spots and the panel just slides out. And again, here's a close-up on the connection points on panel 2. Now with both panels removed, let's grab our Dongar adapter. This one here is Dongar's classic adapter for Honda vehicles. It's an 8-pin harness that connects to the Dongar module, providing power to your dash cam. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Please note that this piece here runs hot, so avoid running any excess cables across this unit. Let's go ahead and disconnect the connector by pressing in the tab and pushing it straight up. Now let's grab the Dongar adapter and insert the male end into the vehicle's connector port, the female end to the original connector, and this end into the Dongar module. Power on the vehicle to make sure the module is receiving power. I'll be installing this awesome little dash cam by Viofo today. This model is the Viofo VS1 Mini, which is a 2K dash cam with a Sony Starvis 2.0 sensor that comes in a sleek design with a budget-friendly price tag. I'll leave the link to this in the description as well. So, to tidy up the cables, I moved the connector port onto the right side of the rear view mirror and ran the harness this way. I'll now pop the panels back on and route the cable going to the Dongar module from this opening. Adjust slack as necessary and push any excess cable back into the shroud. At this point, I realized it would look neater to run the cable from the top, so I popped the panels back off and had the cable running to the Dongar module this way. You don't have to do this, but I couldn't help myself. With placement in mind, I'll go ahead and peel the 3M backing and stick it to the side of the plastic shroud. Be sure to hold it in place firmly for 30 seconds for the module to adhere effectively. All right, let's pop that cover back on and start installing our dash cam. We'll start by plugging in the cable and dash cam and figuring out where we want to place the camera. Once you've identified that location, your first step will be to wipe down the area. I'll be installing an electrostatic film on this tinted windshield, so having a clean surface is key. And for the final step, let's peel off the adhesive backing on the dash cam, plug it in, and firmly press it against the windshield for 30 seconds to ensure it's properly seated.
There you have it. We lost a little bit of daylight getting that cable management exactly how we wanted it, but I'm super excited about the results and I can't wait to test out my new dash cam. Drive safe with Dongar, y'all.